In this video, I will show you how you can remove the green dot from the screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, the green dot appears on the screen of your Samsung phone when an app uses the microphone or the camera of your Samsung phone. So it shows a green dot to indicate that the camera or the microphone is being used. But sometimes this green dot appears while you're on the home screen or while using an app which does not require the camera or the microphone access. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just open the Recent Apps section, and from here just tap on Clear All and remove all the apps from the Recent Apps section, because there might be an app which might be using the camera or the microphone in the background. So by removing all the apps, you will turn off all the apps from the background. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then for the next method, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Apps. From here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen, then select Permission Manager. And from here, you will find all the permissions which you have given to all the apps on your Samsung phone. Now, first of all, just tap on Camera, and from here, just scroll down and disable the access to the camera for any app which you don't want to have the access to the camera. For example, I'll select this app. Now, as you can see, instead of Allow while using the app, just select Don't Allow. Just select Don't Allow anyway. Now just go back and do the same thing with all the other apps which you don't want to have the access to the camera. After you've done that, now just go back, and under the Permission Manager, just scroll down and tap on Microphone. Now with the same method, just scroll down and disable the toggle for the app which you don't want to have the access to the microphone. Just like that. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings, and under Settings, just go back and tap on General Management. From here, just scroll down and tap on Reset, and on this page, just scroll down a bit and tap on Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Now from here, just tap on Reset, and by doing that, you will not lose any data of your Samsung phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your Samsung phone to the default, including the access to the microphone and to the camera. Now after you reset all the settings, then just go to your home screen and open the Control Center. Now in the Control Center, just tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just open the app drawer, and from here just look for any app which you have installed recently. For example, I'll select this app. Now, after you find the app which you have installed recently, then just tap and hold on the app icon and select Uninstall. Now just delete the app, and by doing that, hopefully your issue will be fixed. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem on your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can remove the green dot from the screen of your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.